There I was, broke, depressed, and feeling helpless trying to make money online. The thing is, at the time I was only making a few dollars a day for my website, and many days I actually lost money. The big problem was the bills were piling up and I was getting laid off from my job. And that meant that I was on the verge of going bankrupt, which meant that if I didn't start making money online right away, I would lose everything. Then, as if by chance, something amazing happened. I ran into an old friend who told me a secret about video marketing, and that it's the #1 marketing tool for online success. After speaking with him for 30 minutes, it became crystal clear to me how I need to start leveraging video to help me generate an online income. Because I seen the success my friend was having. My plan was to follow the same mentor my friend had. So I started following Ryan and attending his live workshops. But I didn't stop there. I then started leveraging his videos and team as per his training. And then for the first time, seen huge results. After that, I just started duplicating and scaling for what now seems like easy money. Building on that success, I decided to share the platform so everyone can start making money online leveraging videos, without having to record any yourself. We call it P2P Profit. What used to take me and my team 8 guys in 6 to 8 weeks, now with P2P Profit, I can leverage video by myself without any tech people. And these videos actually convert better than anything I've seen. And that's why I'm so excited to share this with you, so that you can get these type of results too. Just click the link in the description to find out how you too can leverage other people's videos for profit. So just click the link in the description and we'll see you on the inside.